Hey y'all, I'm going to be sharing with you what I have been working on for this project and portfolio class this month. This month I decided I wanted to work on some of my graphic design skills, which lined up really great. My best friend is currently building up a brand on TikTok and Instagram and has had a lot of viewers request different types of merch like t-shirts and bandanas. So it came up with a great opportunity for me to work on designing graphics that are meant to be used on print on demand merchandise. And in that process, I found out that Printful does, you can do custom tags on products. So we also had to come up with a logo. Now, she has already released a digital book. So I used the font as well as her pseudonym from that to create these two. We have a long rectangle one for like banners and long tags, and a condensed one that's more for square shaped areas or circles. Now, these different graphic designs that I have completed, these ones are ready and good to go. They have to do with Appalachian folklore, which is where we have the Mothman, as well as the different zodiac signs and some intentions, like witchy cooking intentions for different ingredients. And also, we have two that just reference two lines that she said in videos because people like that in the comments as well. So we have some mock-ups. Bandanas are one of the most requested items when I was looking through her comments because she wears one in every single video. So we have different zodiac ones. We've got moon signs on a bandana, which was the top liked one. We have some t-shirts and sweatshirts, which were also high up in the comments as bandanas, and then t-shirts. But then also I figured some other things that would be kind of work for people that don't want bandanas but want the head covering thing. We got some hats and coffee mugs because we're getting into the fall. Got to have a warm drink, right? And last, aprons. And we found coasters in here and thought that was pretty cool. The cute little Zodiac coasters kind of build a family pack. And then this is ingredient wall art. So these different ingredients and kind of like their intentions if you were to use them in the kitchen. And what I learned from this project, I gained experience in a couple of different areas in my software experience using Canva and Adobe Illustrator, and as well as being able to take feedback from the client that I'm helping design these things for and being able to edit and re-edit designs based off of that. And also research experience. First I had to go through and find kind of what customers, people that were asking for merch are wanting to make sure that I'm kind of filling that request. That's kind of the whole purpose of coming up with these designs, as well as researching through Printful's website to find exactly like the sizing and requirements needed of the design for it to be able to print properly. Now, next steps to expanding more of my graphic design skills. There are a lot more different ideas that we came up with along the way of other graphics and different types of products to add to the merch line. But also the digital file of these will be available between my Etsy shop and then the physical merchandise from her. So we're kind of working together to both build up our own different little businesses, little side hustles we have going on. But we have a lot more ideas to work on. And so I'll get plenty more opportunity to work on my graphic design skills.